Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A8 and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find additional settings. Then let's scroll and find backup and reset option. And here in this Google backup section, tap on backup accounts. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and if you've got your Google account added to the device, you will be able to simply choose it from the list. If not, you have to add it right now, and here you can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it and tap on next. Right here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Alright, and tap on next. So here we have to decide who will be using this device, so just mark the option and tap on next. Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, you can tap on them to learn more, and tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so just tap on accept, and here we've got, let's say, expanded version of the information, so we are able to use 15 GB of the Google account to backup apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings, and text messages. Of course, you can tap on more details to learn more. Your device will backup the data automatically, store it securely, and you can manage it whenever you want to. So just tap on turn on, and as you can see, we've got this backup account section right here. And it means that from now on our device will basically back up the data. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.